3 years ago, I sort of identified that we need to do a little bit more than hulls in the industry, and as an aftermarket manufacturer, I wanted to put together a complete ski. Started off small doing the pumps, the poles, refining our technique, and then sort of set about the engine about 18 months ago. Started designing the block, did a lot of research into skidoos, looked closely at motocross bikes as well. A lot of the ratios they use to come up with rod to stroke ratios, piston to stroke ratios. Other things we looked at were port design. We've done a 3 outlet exhaust port, so there's one main exhaust port with 2 auxiliaries, and then a 3-stage power valve system. It has features like an intake manifold on the side of the cylinder. A lot of time and thought went into the crankshaft. You know, we have to think about weights with crankshaft, the relationship between the piston and the weight of the crank. Plus we want, you know, fast acceleration when you're doing freestyle and freeride. We've got a 3-stage power valve, 100% forged cranks with high silicon content pistons. And you know, when you start looking at the dimensions, the displacement, the distance between cylinders is a significant one. It's much longer than, say, other engines out there, and that's to give it much larger transfer port area, which, you know, equals better response, more longevity, and it is a 100% specific engine for our sport. What sets ours apart from a lot of these engines is it is 100% focused on freestyle and freeride and the stand-up market. We have a much closer relative between price and quality. You know, everything's going to be 100% constructed in Australia under the supervision of qualified mechanics, engineers. It's taken a good 12 months to put together that whole quality control procedure, the production lines. And this is the first time that we've had something that's going to be available in dealer showrooms for our sport. I'm hoping that this is going to change the landscape of our industry and sport. The price point we're coming out at, the quality and the QC that we've put into this should enable more and more people to get into this sport. The KV997 is going to be used across our range of hulls, whether you want to go on flat water flip, 50 cals, the Reaper, the Predator. It's going to be available in every hull we make. The KV997 is an engine that we 100% designed in-house specifically for freestyle and freeride. For more information, go to krashindustries.com.